back to my channel. Today we are installing this beautiful unit from Westkisshair. It's her gorgeous Bodywave unit. It's 22 inches and it's 180% density. And if you guys want to see how I achieved this look and installed this unit, just keep on watching.
Why you gotta be so indecisive? Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one, the only one that
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working with Westkisshair. You guys what it looks like straight out the box. It is already customized. It came with curls, it came pre-plucked and bleached, and I didn't even expect that. So when I opened it I was like, okay, yeah, I have to bleach these knots. And then when I looked at the knots, like, yo, these knots are not there. What's going on? I was so happy because, you know, I didn't have to bleach knots, and I don't really like bleaching knots, so that was a win for me. So if you guys don't like doing anything to your wig, you kind of just want to throw them on and wear, this is the wig for you for sure. Westkiss is for you. But yeah, so what I just did here was I pulled out like the first line of hair, because sometimes it's too forward for me and I don't really like it, and I kind of prefer the hairline to start much fuller rather than having like a widow's peak. So I just pulled that out, so now you can see it's a lot more like straighter and cohesive with the rest of the hairline. So and on here I kind of think I do want to pull out some of this too, because I don't need all this. I'm going to cut around my earlobes just to make sure it fits my ear correctly. So what I like to do is I like to make sure the wig is like on my head perfectly, and then I just kind of brush, just comb the hair up to see how it would naturally lay. And then once I brush it out, I pin it, and then now I can see that this is my ear and this is where my ear starts up here. So then what you want to do is just kind of follow the trace of your ear like that, and then section that part out. And then now it perfectly fits behind my ear like that. And then we're going to do the same to the other side. I've cut my ear tabs and I'm going to cut. For a lot longer, but I really want to cut the lace so that I can start to know where I am parting. So I'm gonna cut the lace now. since it's now all fully stuck, before I tie my band again, I'm just gonna wipe off the excess so my band doesn't stick to my like actual skin and just melts the lace. Go into section my hair and flatten the roots of it. So I'm gonna use the Westkisshair wax stick. Mine is basically done, so it's like out of the actual packaging, so I just use it like this to rub up my hairline. And what I do with this, I don't tend to use too much, or I think the hair starts to like sit together and not have its natural like flow. So I just try and keep it just at the roots, because that's all I really need to flatten anyway. So yeah. Edges now, and basically for my edges I basically use like a whole concoction on my edges. So basically what I do is I mix and I found that this is like the best mix for my edges, and they like help them to last. So I mix mousse and I basically just put it in the middle of this. 1 pump of mousse, or 2 or 3 3 pumps of mousse, and then I put some spritz. So I find that these help it to just kind of hold down, and then maybe like a spray of about 1 spray of Ebin. Mix that concoction together like that. That's it. So what I like to do like test tries of how my edges are gonna look first before I kind of like officially stick them down, just in case I need to know if I need to like, just in case if I need to see like it's stuck straight away, like I'm rubbing it and it's not really moving. So that's kind of what I like to use. I tend to cut my edges longer, just in case, because I'd rather have them longer than cut them, rather than cutting them too short from the get-go and I'm stuck. So I like to do them short, long first. Then as I'm sweeping them, if I feel like they're too long, I'll go in and cut it. With edges is a thing where you just have to keep going until you know that you like it looking like. So then once my edges are basically like stuck or done, I just go back in with my band and just pop it over and just kind of make sure it's secure. I might spray a bit of spritz on. I'm just gonna pop it back on and then just let it marinate for a bit. Okay, I want to curl my hair, so I'm about to cut some layers into it just so it falls into the right position. So I'm about to Hi guys, so this is the finished look of the install. It's absolutely amazing, I can't even lie. Currently wearing the Bodywave HD unit from Westkisshair. It's 22 inches, it's 180% density. I did kind of cut it just a tad bit to layer it, but the hair is absolutely amazing. I feel like one thing that I absolutely love, two things that I love about this unit. I love the texture of it. I feel like the texture of this unit is very silky soft, so it's like, and I feel like that's perfect for Bodywave units because you keep, when you've curled your hair, you want it to look silky soft and just luscious and not dry, and that's exactly what this unit does for me. This unit is jet black, so if you love black hair, this is exactly that. You're not gonna get like a dark brown black, no, this is definitely like 1B, and I think that's what even helps for it to look silky and just smooth. Another thing I love about this unit was that it came pretty much done. Apart from me like wanting to do it from scratch, it came done. There was already curls in the unit. It was already pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I don't think you guys understand that. I'm gonna say it one more time. It was already pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So if you're lazy like me and don't want to do anything to your wig, you just kind of want to install it, you don't want to be getting all of the stuff to bleach your wig, this is the wig you need because everything was done. The knots on this wig were actually invisible, like perfectly bleached, as if like a hairstylist like done it. So but anywho, thank you for Westkiss for working on this video. I absolutely love this unit. I love the hair, I love the quality. I curled this unit almost 2.5 hours ago when I first installed the unit. I've done my makeup, I've gone about the house, I've done a few things, and the curls are still very much intact and very much holding. So if you guys are worried about curls dropping, no, because it's a Bodywave unit, it's gonna hold its curls perfectly. So it's been hours and hours and the curls are still like this. So just imagine if I went a whole day. Like, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.